Let's go on a big gaming experience. What up, guys? It's your boy Gerald here, and today we will be playing a new game for the channel. It's called Paper Square Please. So right now it says, "Hello, choose your teacher. I am a male." You guys probably don't know, but I'm actually a boy. Yes, I am. Transylvania. No. So this game is basically about grading the students to see if they get the right and wrong answers. And that is the Canadian flag. That's Canada. Brazil, A+. The lonely one students fail me, and I'm looking at him. And I'm looking at her. Amelia, do better. Nothing. Oh yeah, I need to upgrade this school, bro. Okay, play. Draw a flower. A+. Draw a cloud. My dog hates the drawing. F. Oh, what? No, I actually pressed A. Damn it. Only one was supposed to get it right. I know he didn't draw that cloud. I'm a cat. I don't know my A's and F's. A bird, that's an A. Cat, A. F. Elijah. Why did another school game? What the? No. Good. All out of it. No thanks, I don't want to watch another 8. Thank you very much. No thanks. I will not rate your game. I not hesitate to. Ooh, a gym class. Guess you gotta play. The same ad again? Okay, now let's see. Bonus level gym class. Drag into position to zap to exercise. Okay, that's easy. Start. Okay. What do I do? Okay, I get it now. I thought the target was supposed to hit the green thing. The green thing's supposed to hit the target? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm T-posing. Oh, I'm not T-posing. Okay, I'm getting all money. Money. Thank you, principal, for giving me this much money. Okay. Oh, it's the... Okay, that's enough. Another ad! Go, X button. I really don't want to do this. Oh, A+. No thanks. I'm just here for the money, not any reward or something. Okay, let's see. The moon orbits the sun, the earth, none? F? Oh, damn it! My test was correct. I'll sue you. How am I supposed to know that? I'm a cat. Oh, and also you're getting detention.
Clips you must see before you die.
And Yeah, you got the attention, girl. You got the attention. That girl deserves the attention. Okay, let's see. Name each part of the leaves. The leaves in the trunk. Yeah, it's an A plus. The first also probably F minus. I guess I get it right. You know, first cells probably won't we? Well, I don't now. No. Okay. I don't know what that says. Protect your egg, baby. No scratches, no breaks. Okay. So F. You thought you can hide with that silly Batman mask. Oh yes. Hello, Professor Eggington. How do you do? I am doing lovely, thank you. I hope you're having a great day teaching these dreadful students. I am Mr. Egginson. That's not my name. Who cares? And what do you have here? You have breakfast. Timmy, did you cook your baby? Silence. F plus. What F minus? This is so F. I never sign up for anything with these ads. Yes, I don't want to see an ad. I never want to see an ad in my life. Maybe if it's on YouTube, but never again. Okay, so nothing. Next class. Which country? Canada. A plus for you. Draw means of transformation via water. A boat? A plus. The shape of the earth is flat. A flat earth. What's your name again? I think it was Elijah. I think the game told me it was Elijah. Elijah? You're a flat earther? Elijah, no! It's completely idiotic of you. F minus. Good job, Lucas and Amia. Elijah, need to work on it. Another avatar. I don't even know what's this. What is this? Wait. I'm gonna pause it. You don't wanna watch this. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Elijah, next time you come in, you dare enter this school, be like your other classmates. Lucas and Amia, great job. Elijah, you're a disgrace to this class. No, I wish I had enough dollars to have no ads. Why can we upgrade our school? Ooh. Ooh. We can upgrade it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. Upgrade. We can't upgrade. Okay. Next level. Ooh, play!
Do all things money with Revolut. Want to get started in investing?
I made some mistake. Why did I do this?
With Revolut, you can invest in over
Why did I do
2,000
this?
shares.
Why did I do this? Okay, bonus level, recess, move around to break the fights. Okay, and let's see here. Hey, you there! Oh, wait, I didn't even see them fighting. Oh, you there! You get away! Get away! Get away from each other! Savages! Savages! We must stop the savages! I don't know how the rest of the song goes. I think that is how it goes. Also, what's that sign in the back? No, thank. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Nothing. Next class. 5 plus 4 equals 9. A plus. Paint 2/4 of the circle. A. Ah, yes. Find the X. It's here. It's here. Yeah, exactly. A plus. What the? What? No! That's the X! What is this? What is this? Hey, is that my seeing months? What the? What the? What? What? I didn't know what I just watched. Dang it. What do I do? 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 Oh. It's one of your ghost games. I don't want to play those. I want to play that. X button. Okay, it's already been 11 minutes. And teaching dumb students. Ooh, I never tried this class before. Gold. Okay. Pink. Blue. Oh, that's a little too much blue. I hope it works. Oh. One more. I get one drop. Good. Yeah, my sick. Okay, what have you got here? Okay, pink, blue, pink, and blue. So I guess in this level, no students can get an F minus. I mean, if I want to, they can get an F minus. You know what? Yeah. Oh, why shall you want the dumbest student not quite? What the? You can't lose? What the? No, never. I will not play a game with in the background. I hate it when I hear that awkward. It's stupid. 13 minutes in the video, and I'm already addicted to this game. Draw a cow. Wait a minute. Okay, I actually see where he's going with this. So you know when you scroll and on Google and Google a UFO, there's this little image with a cow getting abducted by the UFO. I see where he's coming from, but you're dumb. It meant a cow. Draw an object that flies. A plus. The Mona Lisa is a famous type of food. It's a painting. A painting is.
How old is your brain?
How old is your
Playing
mom?
Wordscapes just 10 minutes a day sharpens your mind. And as you get older, it's important to keep your brain healthy. A few rounds of this game allows your mind to focus while solving puzzles in beautiful and relaxing environments. Can you find the right words? It's time to challenge your brain. Download Wordscapes now and play for free.
I do not want to play that. I want to play this game. Wait a minute. I love this game. Cat.
Playing Wordscapes
Yes.
10 minutes a day sharpens your mind.
Oh my. What the? Wait, what? Act?
Can you find the right words?
Wait. Act. Oh, it's one of those games. They're playing their silly quick tricks on me. 15 minutes in. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop playing this game. Just let me know in the comments if you want me to play more. Doesn't mean I'm ending it though. I am still gonna play this. Okay, I think we gotta upgrade our school. Like that. Do. We can upgrade this. Oh, we can't. Sorry, students. You're gonna have to stay in a boring playground. Oh, school dance. Play.
Do all things money with Revolut.
I'm gonna
You
do
can make
it.
low-cost transfers across the world in over 30 currencies.
Life's hard with
Or invest.
Edge. Oh my goodness, 16 minutes in and I'm still not ending the video. Okay, let's no separate. Okay, I guess I gotta separate couples. I'm getting too close. Oh my god! Oh, what do I do? I lost money because of you brats. I lost money because of you brats. You infernal brats. Okay, we're going to the globe thing. I think that's a Brazil. Okay, it is Brazil. Okay, America. Oh my goodness. Uncle Kittyson is mowing the wall again. That's why you hear that static in the background. Uncle Kittison's mowing the lawn. Italy? I think that's Italy. A+, awesome. Okay.
Don't send me to hell.
Wait, no.
Listen to me, please.
No, I do not want to play this game. 18 minutes in. Okay, let's see. Nothing. Next class. Okay, I think this is gonna be the final class for the day. I think this is where I'm gonna end. Okay, and A+. One egg that lays eggs. A+. Unless I think I got it right. What is the common name for a composite? Of course it has to be the cool down Matata. I don't something. I don't remember the rest of the song. The cool down Matata. Oh, I love the Lion King. But that's sadly enough. Am I getting an advertisement? Hey, what? Oh, it's one of that. Oh, it's this. Oh no. Wait, what? Okay, that's enough. Ed. Okay, but anyways, guys, I feel like I'm going to have to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to click that thumbs up. Make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on that bell to turn on notifications if you want me to do a video, bring back or do another short. But for now, kitty meow meows.